Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the font onto your Mac and into FontBook. This is the one-time preparation step. Once done, drag the TTF or OTF into FontBook or choose File, right arrow, Add Fonts to import. Make sure you validate the font when prompted so Mac OS flags any problems. If you want the font available across accounts, enable it for all users. Otherwise, pick Current User. These steps ensure the system recognizes the font before you change keyboard app settings. Next, you apply the font where the keyboard text is shown. For system-level text, you may use accessibility appearance settings or specific terminal commands. Use those only if comfortable. More commonly, open each app, Messages, Notes, Mail, or text editors, and change their default font in Preferences. For third-party apps like Slack or Microsoft Office, change font inside App Settings. Once changed, quit and relaunch each app so the system caches the new font correctly, and log out if you made broader system changes. Finally, finish by addressing the keyboard itself and common problems. If you use the on-screen keyboard, check keyboard settings or install a third-party keyboard that supports custom fonts. System on-screen keyboards may be limited. If characters render incorrectly, clear font caches using sudo atsutil databases, remove cached files, and restart your Mac. Make sure you disable duplicates in FontBook or reinstall the font if glyphs are missing. If issues persist, validate the font file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.